Good day, I'm Clarissa Bernardo,
I'm Kayla Angela Buda. I'm Lerica Joyce B. Ladilla.
and this is our performance about English language proficiency.
Hey Kayla, hey Clarissa. I'm just finished my scholarship application and I'm feeling a bit anxious about it.
That's awesome, Larika. I know you have been working hard on it. What's making you anxious?
I'm just worried that I have missed something important. This is my first time applying for a scholarship and I really want to get it.
I totally get that. When I applied, I had a lot of the same concerns, but remember, you have done so much. Your grade is impressive, and your volunteer work is fantastic.
Exactly. You have been volunteering of that environmental organization for over a year. How that's a big plus.
Thanks, you too. I have tried to focus on my grades, but I guess should highlight my community service more.
Definitely. When I wrote application, I had to reflect on my experiences, and it really helped me to see how much I had to accomplish.
And don't forget to mention your passion for environmental science. You have always been so dedicated to making a difference.
You're right. I have been passionate about it for years. I just hope the committee sees that.
They will. Just be yourself in the application. If you have any questions or need feedback, I'm here to help you. I had some doubts during my application process, and talking to friends made a difference.
Same here. I have been looking into a scholarship too, and I love to share what I found. We can help each other.
That would be amazing. I have learned as much from both of you already.
Just remember, whether you get the scholarship or not, you have already achieved so much. You should be proud.
Absolutely, we're all in this together. Let's keep each other motivated.
Guys, I'll keep you posted on how it goes. I really appreciate your support.
Can't wait to hear the good news.
Good luck, Maria. You got this.